Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 27E1N5600HE and 24E1N5300HE multi-utility monitors. So friend, this latest future-proof models by Philips monitor, the 5000 series, is welcoming two new products for use during working hours and free time. So friend, the 27-inch 27E1N5600HE and 24-inch 24E1N5300HE, and friend, this monitor is well designed, high performance, feature rich and reliable model. Need to look no further. And friend, this monitor meets the needs of user in all ages. The rise of telework and web-based events, activities, social media and online environment. And friend, these models offers key features such as an integrated 5 megapixel webcam to enhance calibration and USB Type-C 1 cable connectivity. And friend, if I talk about the features, the key features are 27-inch or 24-inch IPS panels with wide viewing angles for clear, accurate image. And friends, the resolution is crystal clear QHD resolution in the 27E1N5600HE and full HD resolution in the 24E1N5300HE. And friend, it has connectivity of USB Type-C technology for hassle-free one cable connectivity, and the integrated 5 megapixel Windows Hello webcam with noise cancelling microphone for easy and secure calibration, and comes with built-in 5-watt stereo speaker for rich multimedia. And friend, it will be comes with easy select menu toggle key for quick on-screen menu access, and it has low blue mode and flicker-free technology for easy on-the-eyes viewing. And friend, if I talk about the pricing and availability, both are available for purchase from mid-June, and if 24-inch model is priced at €269 and the 27-inch model is priced at €379. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.